Okay, friends, let us study the different processes on the psychrometric chart. The first one is the sensible cooling. You can see in the diagram, the line is shown, the arrow is shown towards the left side. That is, the dBT is getting decreased. It is a simple sensible cooling only. Okay. Now, the second example, if you can see on the psychrometric chart, the line is horizontal line and the arrow is towards the right side, then it is known as a sensible heating. Okay. Now, let us see what is humidification. The line is vertically upwards. That means the moisture content is increasing. So it is known as humidification. And the fourth one is dehumidification. The line is downwards, vertically downwards. That means the moisture content is getting reduced. So it is dehumidification. Okay. Now let us mix up the processes and see what will happen. Say for example, the in this diagram you can see the line is slightly inclined but towards the left side, slightly inclined downwards. That is, it is both cooling as well as dehumidification. That means the cooling has happened, sensible cooling has happened, and at the same time dehumidification means the moisture also is getting changed. Okay, we will see how it will happen in the actual air conditioning. This is actually the process for the summer air conditioning. In the summer air conditioning, when the air is entering into the cooling coil, you observe that water droplets will form on the cooling coil. Actually, that is the water which is coming out. It is a small tube is kept there, and you can observe in any air conditioner, room air conditioner, the outside there will be some water droplets falling. That is actually from the cooling coil. The water in the room, whatever the room air is containing, the water, that moisture is getting condensed on the cooling coil, and that is it's coming out. So the process is here the cooling as well as dehumidification. We will go into the depth of it afterwards. And the last one is the heating and humidification. You can see here in this the arrow is slightly inclined upwards and going towards the right side. That clearly shows heating is there, sensible heating is there, and at the same time the humidification also is there. That means the moisture content got increased. This process can be used for the winter air conditioning where the winter conditions are very low. That means 0 degrees or 5 degrees or less than 0. But and some of the industrial applications like textile industries and others also, they use this heating and humidification applications. Okay, we will go into the other things at a later date. Thank you.